694 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 694. Therefore, 694 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 22.7690288713 feet. So, in other words, 694 centimeters equals 22.7690288713 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.